Hello and welcome to the PHP and MySQLi Beginners course from How to Code Well. My name is Peter Fisher. This course is broken up into 5 sections. The first section is all about how to connect to the MySQL database via MySQLi. Once we've connected to the database, we're going to be looking at how to select data from a table. And after that, we're going to be inserting new records into the MySQL database. The fourth section will use PHP and MySQLi to delete records from the database. And lastly, we're going to be focusing on security. We're going to be using the filter var and filter input functions of PHP to filter and sanitize our user inputs. Now, the database used in this course is Docker in Motion. This is from the Docker in Motion course that I've produced for Manning Publications. So if you want to learn Docker, then do check out that course. Also, if you want to use the database that is in this course, then do check out the GitHub repository of Docker in Motion. I'll provide a link to all of these things in the course notes. Happy coding, everyone, and I'll see you again soon.